When it comes to coziness, beach bonfires and mountain campfires each offer unique experiences. Picture a beach bonfire, the sound of waves crashing, soft sand underfoot, and the salty breeze. You can roast marshmallows while enjoying a stunning sunset, surrounded by friends. Now, imagine a mountain campfire. The crisp air, towering trees, and the sound of leaves rustling create an intimate atmosphere. As the stars twinkle above, the warmth of the fire contrasts beautifully with the cool night. Each setting has its charm. Beach bonfires are about relaxation and fun, while mountain campfires evoke a sense of adventure and tranquility. Which will you choose for your next cozy night?